Hello everyone, welcome to the ATHEENAPANDIAN channel. Here in this video, I'm announced the new batch for our medical equipment training. There are so many people got registered and so many people got knowledge. There is practical knowledge about medical equipment with us. In that, many of them waiting for the next batch. Now I am clearly announced that the new batch is going to be started from the 15th of October onwards. So you can able to be registered fastly and get your seats. It is not required you are in the final year or you are need to be passed out the degree, not like that. Even you are in a first year also, you can able to be registered and getting a knowledge, because in our training from the base level to the advanced level, the trainers are going to be teach you from the basic anatomy, from the basic electronics. Even though you are not knowing about the technology related things, also from the basics, our trainer will teach you. So you can able to be gain knowledge even though you are not knowing about the domain. You are in the first year, you are welcome to participate in this training, because first year and second year is the exact period where you are gain the knowledge from the basics, and then in the third year final year you can able to build a product. That is what actually the scenario is. Don't search for the internship on the third year and final year. Search the internship once you are in a first year also. Gain a knowledge about biomedical engineering before you are getting to the department, that is in the second year. So here in through this video I announced that 15th of October 2024 our new batch will be started for base level training, intermediate level training, expert level training and advanced level training. Base level training is for 5 days, intermediate level training is for 10 days, expert level training is for 15 days, and advanced level training, those who are required for the job, the advanced level training you can able to choose. For that you need to be in the last semester of your engineering degree or you get passed out the engineering degree. This is what actually I can able to share in this video. Kindly use this opportunity, and expertise the knowledge will be shared for sure, and definitely you can able to build your career with this in a prompt level. Thank you very much.